the sunnahs of sneezing. The first thing to know is what to say after sneezing. If you have just sneezed and you are the person who has sneezed, you should say to yourself, alhamdulillah. And what does alhamdulillah mean? All praises to Allah. Now, what should the other person say to you? If someone hears you sneezing, then they should respond and say, Yarhamukallah. And what does that mean? It means, may Allah have mercy on you.